Are you looking for the real truth about organic jojoba oil? What they don't tell you before you buy organic jojoba oil. There's one thing no product page mentions, but every real buyer eventually finds out. It's not about the label or the price. It's about what actually happens when you use it daily. Some oils feel amazing. Product number 1. Cleganix 4-ounce Organic Jojoba Oil. First up, Cleganix 4-ounce Organic Jojoba Oil. This one caught my eye because it's USDA certified, cold-pressed, and hexane-free. All big deals if you're serious about clean beauty. At under $10, it's priced right for someone testing the waters. If you want a trusted, no-nonsense organic oil for daily face and hair care, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Jojoba oil that's truly cold-pressed and unrefined keeps its natural vitamins and antioxidants intact. That means better hydration and faster absorption, especially important if you have dry or sensitive skin. Cleganic uses a single ingredient, no fillers, and it's non-GMO and cruelty-free. Over 30,000 people bought this in the past month, which says something. It's lightweight, doesn't clog pores, and works well as a carrier oil for essential oils. Now, some people complained about the packaging. Specifically, the dropper can be messy and hard to control. A few drops too many and you've wasted product. Here's the thing though, for a small bottle like this, precision matters. If you're blending DIY serums or applying to small areas like cuticles or brows, the dropper design can be frustrating. But if you're using it more broadly on hair or body, it's less of an issue. This is perfect for you if you're new to jojoba oil and want a certified organic option without overspending. Skip this one if you need larger quantities or precise dispensing. Product number 2. Handcraft Blends 8-ounce USDA Organic Jojoba Oil. Now, if Cleganic's small size felt limiting, this next one takes a completely different approach. Double the volume for just under $9. Handcraft Blends 8-ounce USDA Organic Jojoba Oil is cold-pressed, hexane-free, and designed for people who use oil regularly. If you want more bang for your buck without sacrificing purity, this might be your match. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The larger bottle means you can use it freely on your face, hair, body, even in massage blends without worrying about running out. It's still 100% pure with no additives and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy feel. The texture is smooth and lightweight, making it ideal for daily moisturizing or mixing with essential oils for aromatherapy. Over 10,000 bought this last month, and it's praised for its consistency and versatility. Now, some people complained about the bottle material. It's plastic, not glass. That's a real concern because light and heat can degrade oil over time, and plastic isn't as protective as amber glass. Here's the thing though, if you store it properly in a cool, dark place and use it within a few months, it's still effective. But if you're planning long-term storage or live somewhere with extreme temperatures, this could be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you use jojoba oil often and want a budget-friendly, bulk-sized option. Skip this one if you prefer glass packaging or live somewhere with
Product number 3. Yokin 16-ounce large bottle. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for heavy users. Yokin's 16-ounce USDA Organic Jojoba Oil. At $15.99, it's still affordable per ounce, and it comes in a BPA-free amber glass bottle, which is a huge plus for preserving quality. If you want serious volume with better storage, this is a smart upgrade. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The amber glass protects the oil from UV light, which can break down nutrients over time. That means your oil stays potent longer. It's cold-pressed, unrefined, and extra virgin, so you're getting the full nutritional profile. The texture is lightweight and fast absorbing, great for dry skin, frizzy hair, or DIY skincare recipes. Over 10,000 people bought this, and many mention how long it lasts even with daily use. Now, some people complained about the pore spout. It's not a dropper or pump, just a narrow opening. That makes it easy to overpour, especially if you're using it for face oil or small blends. Here's the thing though, if you're using it mainly for bodying, hair masks, or large area application, it's not a big deal. But for precision work, you might need a separate dropper. This is perfect for you if you go through oil quickly or make your own skincare products. Skip this one if you need precise application or travel often. At just over $1.
Product number 4, Click-O-Nanic 16 ounce with pump. Now, if Jokien's pore spout frustrated you, this next one solves that problem. Click-O-Nanic's 16 ounce jojoba oil with a built-in pump. At $19.99, it's pricier, but the convenience is real. It's the same certified organic, cold-pressed formula, but now in bulk with easy dispensing. If you want zero mess and maximum efficiency, this is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The pump gives you consistent, controlled amounts. No guessing, no spills. That's huge if you're using it daily on your face, mixing serums, or applying to your scalp. It's still 100% pure, non-GMO, and cruelty-free, with the same fast-absorbing texture. Over 5,000 bought this in the past month, and the pump design gets consistent praise. Now, some people complained about the pump clogging after a few weeks, especially if the oil gets thick in cooler temperatures. Here's the thing though, storing it in a warmer spot or running the bottle under warm water usually fixes it. It's annoying, but not a deal breaker if you're willing to troubleshoot. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, hygienic way to use oil every day without waste. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't mind pouring. At $19.99, it's a premium option, but the pump justifies the cost for many.
Product number 5, Click-O-Nanic 16 ounce organic with pump. Finally, the top tier pick. Click-O-Nanic 16 ounce organic jojoba oil with pump, but this time fully USDA certified. At $25.99, it's the most expensive here, but it combines everything: certified organic status, bulk size, pump convenience, and Click-O-Nanic's trusted formula. If you want the best of everything and don't mind paying for it, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The USDA organic certification adds an extra layer of trust, especially if you're avoiding pesticides or synthetic residues. The pump is reliable, the bottle is sturdy, and the oil itself is lightweight, non-comedogenic, and great for sensitive skin. It's also vegan and sustainably sourced, which matters to a lot of buyers. Over 4,000 purchased this recently, and reviews highlight its consistency and purity. Now, some people complained about the price. It's more than double the 4-ounce version. Here's the thing though, when you break it down per ounce, it's actually cheaper than buying multiple small bottles. Plus, you're getting the pump and certification, which add real value. This is perfect for you if you prioritize certified organic quality and want a long-term, mess-free solution. Skip this one if you're just testing jojoba oil or prefer smaller sizes. At $25.99, it's an investment, but for daily, heavy use.
So, which one should you pick? If you're starting out, go with Click-O-Nanic's 4 ounce. Need more volume on a budget? Handcraft blends or Jokien are great. Want convenience and control? The Click-O-Nanic pump versions win. And if you want the best, certified organic, bulk, and pump, spend a little more on the 16 ounce organic with pump. There's no one size fits all, but now you know what really matters.